Most portable dryers fail within months because buyers ignore one critical specification. The wrong choice means damp clothes, wasted energy, and frustrating returns. 5 compact clothes dryers. 1 clear winner, and the best pick is not the most expensive. Watching until the end ensures the best option is clear. All product links are listed in the description. Here is what to know before buying. Number 5. Panda Portable Clothes Dryer. The Panda Portable Clothes Dryer solves the problem of limited laundry space. No special electrical hookups required. Measuring 19 by 16 by 23 inches, this compact unit features a stainless steel tub and classic white finish that blends into small laundry areas or bedrooms. The energy-efficient 850-watt motor handles loads up to 10 pounds while maxing out at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Multiple drying modes include cold, warm, hot, and air dry settings for different fabric types. A 3-layer filtration system traps lint and hair effectively. The see-through door opens to a wide 105-degree angle for easy loading. But here is what most buyers completely overlook. Drying times run longer than full-sized machines. This dryer suits budget-conscious renters needing a reliable baseline option for small daily loads without complex installation requirements. Number 4. Auertech 1.5 Cu.Ft Portable Clothes Dryer. The Auertech Portable Clothes Dryer addresses the need for faster drying cycles in compact living situations like RVs and studio apartments. Weighing just 32 pounds with dimensions of 19 by 15.8 by 22 inches, this lightweight dryer moves easily between locations and stores conveniently. High heat reaches 149 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering quicker results than many competitors. 5 drying programs cover cooling, anti-wrinkle, standard, heavy, and refresh modes through simple knob controls. The rust-resistant stainless steel drum protects delicate fabrics while ensuring durability. Quiet operation suits small living spaces, while overheat protection and magnetic door locks add an extra layer of safety. Now this is where it gets interesting. Optimal performance requires loads under 5.5 pounds. This model suits buyers wanting faster drying and quieter operation without sacrificing portability in apartments or mobile homes. Number 3. Euhomy Compact Dryer. The Euhomy Compact Dryer delivers unexpected capacity and intelligent features that most buyers overlook when shopping for portable laundry solutions. At 19.3 by 17.7 by 27 inches, this dryer offers 1.8 cubic feet of internal space wrapped in durable stainless steel construction. 7 drying modes include an intelligent setting that automatically adjusts heating time based on humidity levels inside the drum. The Eco mode combines cold and hot air cycles for energy savings during longer sessions. Power output reaches 1020 watts, handling loads up to 10.5 pounds wet. The multi-filtration system captures pet hair and lint effectively. This next detail changes the decision entirely. The intelligent sensor eliminates guesswork on drying times completely. This dryer rewards buyers who want smart automation, larger capacity, and energy-conscious operation without the premium price tag. Number 2. ROVSUN 110V Portable Clothes Dryer. The ROVSUN Portable Clothes Dryer targets buyers seeking premium build quality and versatile installation options for permanent small space setups. Classic white styling with a transparent door window creates a modern aesthetic, measuring 19.5 by 16.5 by 24 inches and weighing 37 pounds. The 850-watt motor reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough drying across multiple fabric types. Wall mounting capability comes included with the necessary bracket kit, unlike most competitors. The stainless steel tub construction promises extended durability for daily use. Simple knob controls eliminate complicated programming, while the automatic door open shutoff prevents accidental energy waste. Multiple filtration prevents lint from escaping into living spaces. Here is the part most review videos never mention. Capacity limits to 5.5 pounds for quick results. This option serves buyers prioritizing permanent wall-mounted installation, stylish appearance, and long-term durability over raw capacity numbers. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER BCD 37 Compact Dryer. The BLACK+DECKER BCD37 compact dryer solves the capacity problem that plagues most portable units while maintaining standard outlet compatibility. Measuring 23.6 by 21.5 by 27.5 inches, this larger unit weighs 49.5 pounds with a robust stainless steel drum. The 3.5 cubic foot capacity handles loads up to 13.2 pounds, nearly double most competitors. 1500 watts of drying power significantly reduces cycle times compared to 850 watt alternatives. 4 modes cover air dry, cool, warm, and hot settings for different fabric needs. Overheat protection ensures safety during extended operation. The front-loading transparent lid allows cycle monitoring without interruption. And this is where the cheaper option actually wins. The larger footprint demands more floor space than compact alternatives. The substantial size makes this dryer best suited for those with dedicated laundry space, not compact apartments where the next option performs better. Which one should you buy? Out of all 5 options, the Euhomy compact dryer wins. The intelligent humidity sensor does what no other dryer on this list can. It removes the guesswork completely. Smart, efficient, and the right size for most apartments and rentals. All buy links are updated in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.